In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your signature on Docusign. Docusign is a leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, and knowing how to upload your signature is essential for seamlessly managing your documents. So, let's get started. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. Docusign is known for its user-friendly interface, making it easy for users of all technical levels to sign, send, and manage documents digitally. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, you'll want to locate the Login button. You'll find it typically at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you haven't already created an account, you can easily sign up by following the prompts on the screen. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Docusign homepage. This is your main dashboard where you'll see various options and tools available to you. From here, navigate to your profile. Your profile is where you'll manage personal settings, including your signatures. Now that you're in your profile, you'll see an option to manage your profile. Clicking on Manage Profile will take you to a more detailed settings menu where you have the ability to customize and control various preferences related to your Docusign account. Next, on the Manage Profile page, you'll want to find and click on Signatures. This section is dedicated to managing all your saved signatures and initials. It provides a clear overview of everything signature related. Once in the Signatures section, look for the ADD Signature button. Clicking this will bring up a new window, providing you the opportunity to add a signature in various forms, such as typing, drawing, or in our case, uploading one. Now click on the Upload button. This is the feature that allows you to bring a pre-scanned image of your signature directly into Docusign. Make sure your signature image is clear and in the proper format. Common formats include JPG or PNG, and scanning your signature in high resolution ensures it looks professional in documents. After you've clicked upload, you'll then need to locate and select the file containing your signature from your computer. Simply click on Upload Signature, find your file, and double click to add it to Docusign. Your uploaded signature will automatically be checked for clarity and proper alignment. Once satisfied, save the signature to your profile. Now it's available for you to use whenever you need to sign a document, and there you have it. That's how you seamlessly upload your signature to Docusign. Whether you're managing personal contracts or business agreements, having your signature ready to go can simplify and streamline your workflow significantly. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.